Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and another Tuesday tips. Today we're going to be looking at Gemini education within Google Classroom. So as you can see, we are in our Google Classroom and Gemini for Education, if you have a license, is on the left hand side. Brings up this screen. We're going to go into lesson plan. We're going to put in the information for our lesson. I can have a 5E or a general lesson plan. This one's going to be for Year 7. And the topic we are going to look at today is going to be the creation of rivers. When you're happy, generate your lesson objectives. That's using AI to do that for you. If you're happy, you can like or dislike them. And if you want to, you can put some additional information about your class. When happy, generate the lesson plan. And there is our lesson plan created. We can then delete sections, copy sections, we can check it all through. And if we are happy with it, we're good to go. And we can export that straight to a Google Doc. Obviously from there we can share. Here's our Google Doc, it gives us options to share if we so wish. I'm going to go back into my lesson plan within Classroom. And I'm going to do some other bits. So we've got generate resources down at the bottom there. So we're going to generate a quiz. And it pulls all the information through, so I don't have to do that again. What I do have to do is change the number of questions. If you don't want 3, I want 7. Happy with the creation of rivers. Don't need to do my lesson objectives again because I've pulled them from the lesson plan. And then at the bottom, I've got the option for multiple choice, true or false, short answer or long answer questions. Click what you want. So I'm going to have some multiple choice and some true or false questions. When happy, press the generate questions button and it will generate your questions for you. Again, so now I can check them and it's already given me the correct answer for each question. Pop that into a Google form. And then here I can share as I would normally with any file or whatever I need to do. So go back into the lesson plan again. If I'm happy with everything, that's all good. I might want to create some hooks. So we'll go into there. Again, it's pulling all the information across. So that's really helpful for me. And now I can bring my lesson to life a little bit more with some other ideas. So I'm going to have some movement and activity, sparking curiosity, and we'll go for thought-provoking questions. So we'll generate some ideas or some compelling hooks. And here are our hooks that we have had generating. It gives us a range of different things under the topics that we asked for, so like movement and activity, thought-provoking questions, and sparking curiosity. So I've got moving water, river or steam, and the power of water. And if I want any of these, I can just copy them into a document, or I can take all of them if that's what I wanted to do. So I can press the little copy button if that's what I want to do, and if I wanted to use that idea. Or I could just export all of them into a Google Doc, and from here take whichever ones I need. Like and subscribe for more tips on using Workspace for education.